have a situation that requires some financial services? Do you need a little help in your search? It's pretty easy with some key information and with the right questions. Today's guest will discuss local financial options and help you find the best professional to suit your ongoing needs.
Takes to get a mortgage loan is all over the map. I've heard stories of people getting loans as quick as 7 days, and I've heard stories of people getting loans as long as 6 months. So I often get the question, what's the difference between a smooth loan process, a quick one, and a really, really long one? There's several things to consider. Number one is you as the consumer, what's your role in it? So the key to making a loan go smooth is when a set of documents is requested, usually pay stubs, bank statements, W-2s, tax returns. Those documents need to be turned around quickly. Also, how they're delivered needs to be clean and complete. A lot of times I'll see documents delivered to the lender that are missing pages or out of sorts or not very good copies, and those are definitely things that lead to delays. Another major thing that I see is when consumers are questioning or arguing the conditions that are being asked for. I find in this lending climate, it's just whatever the bank wants, you just got to get and move on. The other thing a person has to consider when trying to figure out how to make their loan process really quick is the reputation of the lender that they're working with. These days with Google, you can pretty much Google any lender and say Wells Fargo mortgage reviews or Bank of America reviews or Kal Financial home mortgage reviews, and you'll quickly see whether the company that you're working with is reputable or not. With tools like Yelp and Google reviews and bills.com, there's many places to go see the reputation of a bank. But when you see a bank who's got a 1-star rating and everybody's complaining about being stuck in process for 90 days with no response, it's usually a really good sign that that's probably not the best bank to work with if you're trying to close the loan quickly. There's also a challenge of rate versus execution time. I find that some of these internet lenders who have the cheapest rates oftentimes take the longest to close. And if somebody's not in a hurry for a refinance, maybe that's the right decision for them. But certainly in purchase scenarios where there's tight timelines and deadlines, the goal is focusing on somebody who has a great reputation for closing cleanly, accurately, and on time.
Pretty impressive, isn't it? And a great professional is always eager to help. You'll be on your way in no time. Are you ready to learn more? You can reach today's guest by calling the number on your screen. See you next time.